what came out of the Tesla Investor Day event, why it's important to know your vehicle crash test rating, and where in the US you can take advantage of Mercedes-Benz's Level 3 Drive Pilot system. Good morning, I'm Kristen Strakalaitis. Welcome to First Shift. More on those stories in a moment, but first, some automakers continue to see their monthly sales advance while others are reporting a decline. At Subaru, February volume rose 2.1%. Sales slipped 2.4% at Toyota last month, with volume off 3.6% at the Toyota division. Despite this, Lexus saw its sales rise 6.1%. Honda reported a 1.4% sales decline in February, with the Honda division down 3%. And Acura's volume rose 12%. Ford says that brand sales gained 23% to 150,218 vehicles, while Lincoln deliveries rose 4% to 6,159 units during the month. And its EV deliveries rocketed 68% to 3,523. If you are a Tesla fan, listen up. We now have a better idea of what's in store for the EV maker. You may already be familiar with Tesla's plans to build a plant in Mexico. During Tesla's Investor Day event in Texas, Musk did not say what vehicle will be built there, but he and other company executives dropped several hints that Tesla is planning to build a more affordable vehicle or multiple vehicles on a new platform. One of those vehicles could be a dedicated Robotaxi without human controls. Tesla also said that the Cybertruck is coming this year, with volume production expected in 2024. How does your vehicle safety rate? For those of you who are unsure, it could be worth finding out. An IIHS study found that a driver in a good rated vehicle was 12% less likely than a driver in a poor rated vehicle to be killed in a frontal crash. IIHS says its researchers used frontal crash data from 2012 to 2020 and cross-referenced it with its driver side small overlap front crash ratings. Companies working on battery technology continue to prosper as they received most of private equity investors' money last month. Of the $647.5 million that private equity investors plowed into automotive-related startups, almost 71% went to companies working on battery technology like battery startup Arnex Energy. Mike Ramsey, a transportation and mobility analyst at Gartner, says, quote, EV batteries are a safe investment compared to, say, autonomous vehicles and robotaxis, which are kind of tenuous at this point. If you live in Nevada and are in the market for a vehicle that can take over in certain traffic conditions, check out your local Mercedes-Benz dealership. It is the first automaker in the US to say it plans to sell an advanced Level 3 driver assistance system that allows motorists to drive eyes and hands-free in certain traffic conditions. But for now, it is self-certified only for use in Nevada. The company says it's aiming for an even more sophisticated Level 4 technology that would allow a vehicle to drive without a driver's involvement under most conditions. Mercedes' chief technology officer said achieving this is, quote, doable by the end of the decade. However, if this technology isn't your cup of tea, you are not alone. According to the American Automobile Association, drivers are rapidly becoming more afraid of automated vehicles. People surveyed who described themselves as afraid to ride in automated vehicles jumped to 68% this year in the AAA annual automated vehicle survey from 55% in the previous year. Thanks for watching. Be sure to go to autonews.com for more news, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at @first_shift. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.